Did. Baby Love, Oh Pretty Woman. We're in the top 10 that month, October, and the Beatles were everywhere else. I can give you the B-side of the Supremes one. I live in a kind of fizzing home, gargling with Vimto, never smell my shell, convent girls.
Relax. Check baka maiki ka pa dyan.
Where are we going?
Check parang nakagano yan.
Isang minuto na oh, shame.
Kasi shame ka rin.
Kami pa may kasalanan ah.
Tulmong, tulmong.
Take 2.
Dua, Ting, Git. Baby Love, Oh Pretty Woman. We're in the top 10 that month, October, and the Beatles were everywhere else. I can give you the B-side of the Supremes one. I lived, or hang on, come see about me. I live in a kind of fizzing pool, gargling with Vimto, the clever smell of my social convent girls. I pulled my hair forward with a steel comb that I blew like mine, and my lips as numb as the two are snug. No snugs. The Nile rises in April, blue and white. The hummingbird's song are made by its wing, which beats so fast that they blur in flight. I know the capitals, the kings and queens, the dates. In class, the white sleeve of my shirt saluted again and again. Sir, correct. Later, I booked at the side of my bike, and a cowboy mounted it, running in one jump. I sped up Dyke Hill, no hands, famous, learning, Dominus, Domine, Domine. David knows me. Try me. Come on. My mother kept my mascot gum on the table for years. And the photograph, I look so grainy that you'd think that I just had a bath. The blazer, the badge, the tie. The first chord of A Hard Day's Night. Now on my head. I ran to the spiny with my prized shoes. Up Churchill Way, up Nelson Drive, over the pink pavements where girls chopped on in the blue evening, and I stamped on the paw prints of badgers and skunks on the mud. My country, I want it back. The captain, the one with all the answers. My name was in red on Lucille Green's jutter. I smiled as wide as a child who went missing on the way home from school. The Kinney, I say to my stale wife, 6 hits by Dusty Springfield. I say to my boss, a spent. How can we know the dancer from the dance? Nobody. My thick kid whines. Named the Prime Minister of Rhodesia, my country. How many florins in a pound? The captain of the 1964 Top of the Form team by Carol Anka.